Hi, guys. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you're watching from. All right, according to your time. Okay, guys. In today's video, we'll be talking about Signale Di Obbligo Lesson 3. All right, I cover three subjects, or should I say three lessons in this video. All right. Okay, without wasting much time, if you're just seeing my channel for the first time, what we do here is translating the Italian driving lessons theory to English for your better understanding. All right. Okay, guys, without wasting much time, let us get started. Okay. If you have not seen the lesson 1, lesson 2 of this video, this particular subject, Signale Di Obbligo, please check those other lessons out. I'll be dropping them in the description box below for you. All right, this is lesson 3. You don't want to start here. Please, I advise you go back to lesson 1. Watch up till this time. Okay, the first one we're dealing on is direzione consentita, destra e sinistra. Now, on seeing this sign on the road, what does it tell you? Remember that these signs, they started functioning immediately after these signs. Now, in this case, we have this one. What is it telling us in case you come across it on the way? È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Now, segnale di prescrizione, like I always say, is also segnale di obbligo. They might not ask you in the test, is this segnale di obbligo? They might ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? Indica che l'unica direzione consentita sono destra e sinistra. Now, this sign tells you that the only direction that is allowed is your left and your right. Quindi il segnale permette di svuotare a destra e a sinistra, ma vieta di proseguire dritto. Now, this sign allows you to turn to your right and to your left, but forbids you from going straight forward. Non è vero che indica una bifurcazione pericolosa. Now, this is not telling you ahead of a danger. No, it is not telling you ahead of a danger. This is telling you that the only direction allowed is either to go to your right or you go to your left. You cannot go straight. Okay. The next one. Direzioni consentite, dritto e destra. Now this time, you only need to go straight or to your right. Let us see what this sign is trying to say. Let's read. È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Segnale di obbligo is also segnale di prescrizione. Indica che l'unica direzione consentite sono destra e dritto. It tells you that the only direction allowed is the right and straightforward. Oh, I'm so sorry. Messages are entering my phone. I'm so sorry about that. Quindi il segnale permette di svuotare a destra e proseguire dritto. This sign allows you to turn to your right or keep going straight forward. Ma vieta di svuotare a sinistra, but it forbids you to turn to your left. All right? On seeing this sign, you cannot go to your left. You only go to your right or keep going straight. Non è vero che indica una bifurcazione pericolosa. It's not telling you of ahead of a danger. O che indica di tenersi in ogni caso il più possibile sul margine destro della carreggiata. Neither is it telling you that in every case that you should move to the right margin, okay, destro della carreggiata, the right margin of the carriageway. It is not telling you that. It is telling you either you turn to your right at this junction or you keep going straight. You cannot turn to your left. Then we have this one as well. The same thing with the one we just read, just that one is taking us to the right and this is taking us to the left. Or you keep going straight. È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Remember that segnale di prescrizione is also segnale di obbligo. Okay? Indica che le uniche direzioni consentite sono sinistra e dritto. Now it tells you that the only direction that is allowed is for you to go to your left or you keep going straight forward. Quindi il segnale permette di svuotare a sinistra e proseguire dritto, ma vieta di svuotare a destra, but it forbids you to turn to your right. On seeing this sign, you can't turn to your right. You can only turn to your left or you keep going straight. Non è vero che indica una bifurcazione pericolosa o che indica di avvicinarsi In ogni caso è più possibile da ASE della carreggiata. And they tell you of a danger ahead, and it's not telling you that in every case where it is this sign, you need to go to the as of the carriageway by your left side. It is not telling you that, all right? What the sign simply is telling you is either you go to the left or you keep going straight. You cannot turn to your right. Only turn to your left or you keep going straight. It's as simple as that. Just follow the image, follow what is written inside of the image, all right? It is referring to that, okay? All right, guys, I will be stopping this video here. If you have not followed us, what are you waiting for? Please, 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 and please subscribe. That is the only way you get to see more videos. All right, and do not forget to turn your bell notification on. Very, very important. Okay, and if you have not liked this video, I don't know, didn't you enjoy it? Please like my video. Okay, and of course, share me to your family and friends. Like, I wouldn't mind. Share me, share me, share me. Let's get more people connected. Get more people understand what we are doing here. Okay, see you in my next video. All right, bye for now.